just remove the two non-genuine bolts. There should be a half moon there which holds the two casings together as well, so you normally only have to undo one and just lift off then. Right, remove the top casing. As you can see, all that the silicon's done is just wear straight out. One thing we've just spotted as we've removed the casing, major peg slip, damaged casing, as you can see. Big groove all the way around. Same on this side. The pegs even, in fact, it's broke off inside. Not a very good casing. Major damage. More or less scrap. In fact, it is scrap. Not good at all. Expensive rebuild. Major bluing of the big end due to customer not putting adequate oil. In fact, he didn't put any in. Forgot to put the 2-stroke in on the premix. As you can see, the crank probably would have been okay if it had had adequate fuel and oil. Major damage to the bottom casings. Got a new set of casings needed really. Crank retaining moon fits in there. Won't be fitting back in these casings. Not a good sign. As mentioned in other videos, that's a good shaft due to bearing not moving. Gearbox just lifts straight out. Just watch the retaining clips, as you can see. That one's slightly damaged at the end. The final drive bearing is just a main bearing without a peg. So if you just require this on a rebuild, just get an extra main bearing. These needle roller bearings tend to be okay unless there's major contamination with metal in the gearbox. Gear selector forks okay, no real wear. Just make sure that the D clips, A clips are on still. Yes, major crankcase damage. Not good at all. Put these aside.